How about that? We are tracking a powerful tropical storm drenching parts of Florida. Tropical storm Emily formed just off the coast of the Sunshine State early this morning. It's already caused flooding and 18,000 people are without power. Well, KBOI2 meteorologist Nate Larson joins us now. So what's the biggest concern from this storm?
So far right now, where it's actually weakened since it's come onshore in Florida, the flooding is what's a big concern right now. In fact, we're expecting heavy rainfall. 2 to 4 inches is what we're expecting in general areas, but we could see isolated amounts of up to 8 inches of rainfall. So 8 inches of rainfall through the afternoon into tomorrow morning is a lot of rain, folks. In fact, here's a look at Tropical Depression Emily. So it has weakened, so that means sustained winds less than 39 miles per hour. We're seeing sustained winds of 35 miles per hour right now. We're also seeing, again, a track that's anticipated to move off into the Atlantic. So by about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it should be well offshore. We are going to see it strengthen, though, as it moves back over those warmer waters. So depressions or tropical storms, hurricanes need that warm ocean water to help fuel those. That's where they get all their moisture from as well. So a lot of rainfall anticipated for a lot of the Florida area, central Florida, and we'll be tracking that. But closer to home, not a whole lot happening as far as moisture goes. In fact, we have a lack of moisture here in western Idaho. Hot and dry weather continues. Not even seeing any of those thunderstorms over the mountain areas this afternoon as that area of high pressure has dried us out even in the higher elevations. So a live look outside from the Boise air quality camera. You'll notice it's a little bit more smoky and hazy out there. We're seeing some more smoke from wildfires around the region, and that extra smoke and haze has actually prompted a air quality alert. We're actually in the yellow or moderate category, and that means no outdoor burning is allowed. Not that we really need fires to stay warm or anything right now, but even a campfire at night if you're here in the valleys, or if you have an outdoor patio with a burner in the back. We're not burning any wood out there, and that's for Boise, Meridian, and Nampa. McCall still in the green category. We're expecting that to continue until a lot of that smoke and haze can be blown out. Temperatures right now, it's still hot out there, not quite the century mark for a lot of this Treasure Valley. We're 97 in Boise, Caldwell, 99 in Ontario. We are 100 in Mountain Home right now, so pretty toasty out there. We have some winds. They're slightly elevated. Typical breeze, though, we normally see just a little bit stronger this afternoon. 15-mile-an-hour winds out of the north in Mountain Home, 13 out of the northwest in Boise, and just an easterly wind at 3 miles per hour, so light breeze there. Futurecast showing that, again, a lot of the hot and dry weather will continue for our region at least. Tuesday, we thought maybe there'd be enough moisture to fire up some mountain thunderstorms, mainly along the southern portions of the state, but I think for the most part, that area of high pressure is strong enough. It's going to suppress a lot of that moisture from the monsoon down to the south and east, and we're going to continue our hot and dry weather pattern even for the mountain regions, the southern Owahis, or the highland areas. So plan on a fairly benign forecast. Just the hot weather is what we're going to be dealing with. Clear skies for the Magic Valley. 95 for Twin Falls tomorrow. 87 in Sun Valley, so we're getting warmer out there by a few degrees each day. Not a whole lot of changes for most folks. A lot of the same weather pattern, maybe just adding a degree or two to your daytime highs. Otherwise, we're going to be seeing a lot of sunshine. And again, that scorching heat for the Treasure Valley. Emmett, 101 for tomorrow. 98 in Kuna, Nampa at the century mark, along with Caldwell. 102 in Mountain Home. Extended forecast showing that, of course, the heat does persist through this week, at least through Friday. We'll see 99, so relatively cooler temperatures over the weekend. Maybe a few clouds around, but sizzling hot outside. Great for that river flow.
I think that's a great idea. Anytime you have these temperatures, the best thing is the water.
The water would keep you cool.
Yes.